Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about how to capture the screenshot and video on test failed. Whenever we see the failure on a test case, and then we need to get a screenshot and video. Okay. Here the video we can able to get while we running for command prompt. When we run for command prompt, then only we can able to get for video. But a screenshot we can able to capture whenever it is fail or without fail also we can able to capture for the screenshot. Without command line also we can able to get it. Okay, for this I'm going to create for one describe block. Simple sample we'll see. Screenshot, and I'm going to run it. If I here in the test case I'm going to create demo screen shot. Okay, now here I'm going to visit my website. Okay, visit my website. For this I'm going to take for this is application which I took in the last video also. Here I'm pasting. Okay, now here there is a one method called cy.screenshot. cy.screenshot, you can able to see, take a screenshot of that application under the test and type of the command log. You can able to take two ways. One is by providing for the screenshot, and another one is the specific location you can able to provide for that particular screenshot. These are the two ways we can able to provide. If you provide here cy.screenshot, and now this you can able to see, it will provide for this method taking screenshot. Okay, and there is a optional parameters. If you want, you can provide for any naming convention for this particular screenshot. Okay, first without we'll see, and with also we'll see. Okay, npx cypress open. After taking the screenshot, it will create one folder for screenshot folder. Okay, then in this particular Cypress, inside the Cypress, it will provide for one screenshot folder, and there it will store for that particular screenshot. Now we'll see. And my screenshot also got captured. Okay, now if I'm going to here, now you can see there is a folder called screenshots. Okay, and if you expand it, and you can able to see we have complete, and here it is provided for demo screenshot.png. Demo screenshot.png, that name we provided here, the test case, that's why it is provided. If you want to provide your own name, how you can able to means in the here home page. Now again I'm saving. Okay, again I'm saving. Now see, now it is come for our naming convention, which name we provided, home, right? We provided a home here, home page the same name. Okay, this way we can able to get it. Okay, if you are not provide any name, it will give you for direct or random name, which name you have, that name it will provide. Okay, but in case you can, if you want to provide your custom command name of the particular image, you can able to provide. Okay, this is a one case. And second case, now I'm going to inspecting this locator. In this locator, it is having name attribute, copying and coming to here. Now here cy.get single quotation, two square braces, and here I'm pasting. Now again screenshot. Okay, here I'm pasting a name called user name. Okay, now again I'm saving here. You can see it will load and everything, and even you can able to see here the screenshot location, one particular one it will come. Now see, name username.png. Okay, now again I'm opening. See, this is a specific web element. We can able to get it for screenshot. If you want to get for specific element image, we can able to do it, and complete home page also we can able to do it. These are the two ways we can able to capture our screenshot. Okay, here also we can able to specify name of the particular one, or else we can able to directly use it. It will give you for random. If you are not passing any name for this, it will provide you for random. Okay, random name. And videos, how we can able to get the video. Now video getting purpose, we need to close this id, not required, and we need to open for terminal itself. You can open for terminal, or you can open for command prompt where your project is presented. If I go here and my work environment, and here mine is Cypress, my project is E2E, my project is E2E Cypress, and here we can able to open for CMD, and we can able to run for specific one, or else we can able to go for terminal and we can able to run. This is a very easiest way. Okay, here we need to use for npx Cypress. Previous we are using for open, normally we'll do for open. Now we are going to use for run. If you use that npx Cypress run, means it will execute for all the elements which is a files are presented in E2E, that all the files it will execute. Okay, these all the files it will execute. We need to wait for until the specific file is completed. Okay, that is very lengthy, right? Due to that we can able to run for specific file also. Specific specs. Okay, that is called as specs. Okay, and we can take 4 screenshots and copy relative path and paste it and enter. Now it will identify specific spec and it will start for execution. Now by default we can able to see like without browser. If you want to run for browser, and even I explained previous videos which is a command, like which command we can able to take for commands to run, like a browser open and execute, for those steps. Those all the steps I already explained in my previous videos. You can able to go ahead and take it, watch. Okay, and now there is a 2 screenshots are presented here. Okay, and run is finished, result is completed. There is a video should be presented. Where is the result of video? The screenshot folder is only it is displaying. Okay, it is provided for that particular spec name, and then it is provided inside the 2 files. Okay, and if we come outside also, inside the 2 files, problem is it is not generated for video. Okay, why it is not generated video? Basically whenever we run, it will generate for, with the screenshot also it will generate for one video, but it is not generated video. Custom commands, copy relative path. We'll see whether this one will run or not. Without browser itself I'm running. Now it is finished. Dev tools. Okay, it went for video false. Here also video false. Okay. There is a problem with the video. It went for false. Shit. Screenshots also not captured because video is in a false mode. 1 minute. Sorry. Just now I checked there is only one modification recently they updated. That is a video colon true, comma. We need to add. There is a seventh line. We need to like after you added for default configs brace and this curly brace is the right. After curly brace you need to enter and then you need to add for video colon true, comma before E2E and after this one. Okay, before E2E you have to use for video colon true. If you use this one, it will generate for video. Otherwise, it will not generate. Okay. By default, they are providing for default as a false. Okay. Even I checked with the documentation. Recently, they modified. This is the line we need to attach. Okay. Once you attach, it will generate for your video. In case if you want to comparison mode, okay, then we need to use for video comparison true. Okay, then it will comparison and even you can able to see how many videos you want to compare. They are provided for all the things. Even after generating, if you want to delete old recorded videos and that also they provided for some set of code. If you use this one after spec and results and there is any failed one, it is presented is a old links and all, it will delete. Okay, even in the same location, they are provided for screenshots as well. The screenshot presented. Okay, if you want to some failure cases, if you want to take that one, you can need to use for. By default, they are made for false only. Both the cases. Okay, the folder structure location it will display. If the screenshot, in case if you use that keyword as screenshot, by default in the previous old versions what will happen in case if there is a something failed automatically it will take it. Now also you can use for screenshot, it will the recommendation for the command we can able to get it. Okay, and I will fail this particular custom command only. Which one? Now this is the one. I'm going to log in and verifying the title. Okay, now this is the I'm saving now just for verifying for screenshot also whether it will generate or not. I'm not using for any screenshot now. We can able to see here there is a video. Now see videos folder also generated. Still I'm running for headed mode, but it will generate for video execution. How what are the steps it will execute, right? That all the steps it will step by step it will record and it will give you for video. In case if there is any failures and it automatically it will generate some screenshots. See now here it is showing there is one screenshot. Now my test case got failed. I'm going to get it and video also generated and also they provided for expected actual cases. There is a failed one and this is the video location we can able to see MP4 and if you expand this particular one you can able to see the screenshot it is provided where it is provided custom commands.cy.js mp4. Okay, means this particular video it is belongs to this particular code like that it will showing. Okay, now if you run right it will execute step by step. You can see now it is loading here, it is open id and it is loading url. After that it is going to username and password. When after logging we are trying to validate for title. Now title location it is got failed. Okay, and the screenshot location, if you go for screenshot location, you can see Here is a screenshot. Here we got the fail, and you can see minimize this one, maximize this one. You can see the title got failed. Title got failed. Okay, if it is fail, we'll get for screenshot. If it is pass, we'll not get the screenshot, but we'll get for pass cases. We can able to get for video. If it is pass, if it is fail, if you make this configuration video colon true, if you make this particular line in your code, automatically if it is pass, if it is fail, we can able to get the video. But screenshot will get it for only for failed cases. If it is fail, automatically it will create one particular screenshot. It will take for complete page, not specific page. Complete page it will take. If you want specific, then you need to use cy dot screenshot or cy dot get dot screenshot. If you want complete page, you can use for cy dot screenshot. If you want specific element, you can take for cy dot get, provide the element and dot get screenshot. These are the two methods you can able to use for screenshot manually. Automatically means we can able to get for failed cases only, like this. Okay. I hope this concept help for you. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.